Alright, what's up YouTubers? This is Max, doing the Venn diagram warm-up video for this week. Let's get to it. I've got two pretty good examples for y'all here. Oop, it's not quite showing up. There we go. So the first one is, because everyone who plays soccer likes watching soccer, but no one who likes watching soccer plays baseball, there must be no one who plays both baseball and soccer. So we can tell here that this, because it says there must be, that's a pretty good indicator that this is our conclusion. No one plays both baseball and soccer. And these, this one and this one, are two premises. So luckily we have two universal statements here, right? We have everyone who plays soccer and no one who likes watching soccer, so it doesn't really matter what order we go in. So we might as well just start with the first one. So this says that everyone who plays soccer likes watching soccer. And we've got our playing soccer circle here and our liking watching soccer here. So everyone who plays soccer likes watching soccer. That means that everyone who's in this playing soccer circle has to also intersect with the likes watching soccer circle. So what that will look like is we're going to shade here, right, because no one can play soccer without liking watching soccer or playing baseball. And again, this intersection is these two segments right here. So we'll also have to blot out this section here. Cool. So that says that everyone who plays soccer likes watching soccer. Now we've got no one who likes watching soccer plays baseball. So likes watching soccer, plays baseball, and when it says that no one does both, basically, we need to make sure that we blot out that intersection there, which means blotting out these two parts, the junctions, where these two categories overlap. And so we're left with this as the Venn diagram. And the conclusion is that there must be no one who plays both baseball and soccer. Well, this is the playing soccer circle, and this is the playing baseball circle. And so if there were someone who plays both baseball and soccer, there should be some availability here, which is the intersection of these two circles. But they're not. It's all shaded out, which means that it is true that if these first two premises are true, there must be no one who plays both baseball and soccer, which means that this is a valid argument. Cool, on to the next one. Let me make sure, yep, there we can see it. So the argument goes, alcohols make me vomit because some liquids make me vomit and all alcohols are liquids. So this we should conclude tells us that this right here, that all alcohols make me vomit, all alcohols make me vomit, that's going to be the conclusion right there. And so some liquids make me vomit and all alcohols are liquids are the two premises. Now, since we have one particular statement with this some and one universal statement with this all, we want to make sure we do the universal first. So we're going to represent this statement that all alcohols are liquids. We've got alcohols here, liquids here, and we're going to make sure that everything that's in the alcohol circle is pushed into the liquid circle, which means we're going to blot out that part. I'm going to blot out that part, right? Because now everything that's going to be in this alcohol circle has to be in this intersection where it's also in the liquid circle. Now, some liquids make me vomit. We're going to be using an X, right, because it's particular. So some liquids make me vomit. So we're going to move this X over somewhere over here, but it's unclear initially whether it should go in this section right here or this one, right? Because it doesn't say anything about whether these liquids are alcohols or not. So since we don't have that information, we're going to have to put it right here on the midline, right there straddling there, because there could be a liquid that isn't an alcohol that makes me vomit, and there could be a liquid that is an alcohol that makes me vomit. We just don't have that information. Now, as Professor Weinberg said in his video that came out with the practice problems that are under Unit B of this week, when we have an x straddling one of the lines here, that usually is going to mean that we have an invalid argument. But let's check it out just to make sure. The conclusion here is that all alcohols make me vomit. So that means that it would have to be the case that all alcohols also intersect with things that make me vomit. You know, so this X could be here. There could be at least one alcohol that makes me vomit, but the fact that this section is open and not shaded means that there are alcohols that could be liquids that also don't make me vomit. Therefore, that's a counterexample, and that means that this is an invalid argument.